So 2 years back, if you had asked me whether do you like books or whether do you love reading books, my big answer would be definitely not. And if you had asked me how many books have you read, and my answer would be big zero. Because I am not the guy who used to read. I wasn't the guy who used to go and sit in the library and read books and enjoy books. I was a visual guy. I used to love movies and I used to watch stuff, but reading was not my cup of tea. And I thought that reading is only for nerds. So this was my situation. But if you ask me today, whether do you like books or whether do you love books, I'll say yes. Yeah, I love books. I enjoy reading books. I have been reading books from past 2 years consistently, and books have become my best buddies. And if I don't have anyone to hang out with, if I don't have anyone to go out and chill, I will start reading the book. I have cultivated the habit of reading, and it's been a wonderful journey for me in the past couple of years, and I have been killing it. I have been reading dozens of books every couple of months, and it's been a fantastic journey, and I want you to also pick up reading. And few people ask me, how did you start developing the habit of reading? And my answer would be a list of things that I tried. And I thought, why don't I make a video about how I read? Because I obviously make reviews of self-help books, but I haven't shared how I started and how you can start your journey in the book world. So in this video, I will be sharing with you 5 tips to help you start developing the habit of reading. If you have not read a single book in your life, or if you have tried a couple of books and failed, it's okay, because this episode will help you with that. So let's not wait anymore. Let's get started. So the tip number 1 is start small. When I remember taking a book and start reading it 2 years back, I was the guy who used to pick up a big I was the guy who used to pick up this kind of a big book and start reading. Something like Harry Potter. It was huge. And I used to start reading it, and I used to not understand anything what's going on. And I used to finish couple of pages and I'll be like, okay, another 225 pages and I'll be done. Okay, this was my situation. I used to pick up a big book and start reading it, and it feels heavy for me. It feels too much for me. I used to feel overwhelmed and drop it off. And that was my scenario. But one of the things that I picked up was starting small. I picked up a small book. The first book that I read was Time Sense. And I picked up that book, which was a pocket-sized book of 30 pages, started reading, and I finished in about 4 or 5 hours. And it was like, okay, I did something good. It was a very small book, but I started small and it helped me. So start reading small pocket-sized book at the beginning, or take up any blogs on the internet and start reading it, or take up a newspaper and start reading the articles there, or magazines for that sort. So start small, and everything goes from starting steps. So take the first step and start very small. So the first step is start small. The second tip is it's okay to not finish the book. Before building the habit of reading, I used to see the book, and my goal was to read the entire book, and it was hectic. The pressure was high. When I used to take a big book like this, it will be like, okay, when I'm in page 40, okay, how can I finish 950 pages of book when I am just completed 40 pages? I don't know whether I can complete it or not. All these questions used to arrive. The pressure of completing the book was more, because my goal was to complete the book. And if you are building the habit of reading, never never ever have the goal of completing the book. This was one of the biggest mistakes that I made, and it killed me from enjoying the book, because your goal should be enjoying the book. The way that you enjoy the book is what matters. Whether you finish it off or not, it doesn't count. If you have just understood, if you have just read half of the book, and if you felt this is enough, I think I have gained enough knowledge from this book, then keep it away. Because that's enough for you. You have read the book and you have enjoyed the book, and that is it. You don't need to finish off till the last page. Whenever you feel this is enough, I have read it, keep it aside. Because your goal is to not complete the entire book, rather enjoy the reading process. That's what it's all about. So the second tip is it's okay to not finish the book. The third tip is dump it if you don't like it. So you took up a book, you don't enjoy that book, but rather you have an obligation to finish off the book and go for the next one, right? This is what most of the people do, because they take a book, they purchase a book. For example, I have purchased this book, and the obligation is to finish off the book and go for the next one. So you try reading the book, but you don't even enjoy reading it, right? You don't even enjoy reading it, but what to do? You have purchased the book, so you have to finish off. Even though you don't like the book, but if you keep reading it, it won't be good. Rather, you don't like it book? Okay, fine. It is not my type, or this situation, I don't think this book is for me. So go for the next one. Try a couple of books. Let me give you an example of Netflix and Prime Video or any of the OTT platforms. What you do is you sit to watch for a movie. You sit for 5 minutes and you don't like the movie. What you do is go for the next one. You keep trying until you like a certain movie and stick with it, right? Same way you can use it on the books. Start reading more books and try out more books. Sometimes some book will be there for you to enjoy it, and you will get that book. So until then, keep trying. Dump it if you don't like it. Stop reading if you don't enjoy it. If you don't enjoy the book, there is no reason to keep hanging on to the book. Rather, go and try out for the next book. So the third tip is dump it if you don't like it. The fourth tip is make book friends. The friends that you have are not the people that have the habit of reading books. So what you do is make new friends who are into reading, who are a long time readers or who are hardcore readers, and ask for the book suggestion. Have a conversation with them, start conversing with them, start discussing about the books, start discussing about the suggestions, ask them for new suggestions, ask them for the review about certain book that you want to plan on reading, ask them about what book they are currently reading, ask them whether it is good, what this book is all about, how many days does it take to read the book, how is the journey, how is the feeling while reading it, which genre it is. Discuss, build relationship, build friendship, and build book buddies. When you start making friends, who read books, it will be like you will be into it, because they'll explain you how beautiful books are. They'll explain you how fantastic the life with book is. They'll tell you how much passionate they are with books, and that will make you excited, that will make you interesting, that will attract you to read books. Even though you don't like books or if you hate books, you will automatically start developing the habit of reading books. So the fourth tip is make book friends. The fifth tip is read every day. So after watching this video, you will be like, okay, I'll start reading books. And you will pick up a book and start reading it. And you will read for 1 hour or 2 hours. You will give your best and start reading the book. And you will spend 2 hours reading the book. And after that, another week, you won't pick up the book. This is a common mistakes that every one of us make while beginning the habit of reading books, because we drop on the day 2. So my biggest suggestion is read every day. It need not be 1 hour or 2 hour of reading book. Let it be 10 minutes, okay? Or keep a goal of reading 1 page or 2 pages every day and start building the habit of reading it for every single day. You don't need to finish 10 pages or half of the book or entire finish of the book at one stretch. Have a goal of reading 1 page or couple of pages every day. You will find a lot of difference, and slowly, gradually you will start enjoying the journey of reading the book. So the 5th tip is read every day. So these are the 5 tips to start building the habit of reading. If you had never picked up a book, this is a perfect time to pick up a book and start reading it. Whether it is a physical book or whether it is an e-book or whether it is a PDF book, whatever it is, start picking up and start reading it. And use these 5 tips to help yourself start reading the books. So that's it for this episode. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed this episode. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, bye-bye. Take care. You are listening to the Personal Growth Podcast, Life with Self, and I'm your host, Devu Bhardwaj. See you in the next episode. Whoopsie doopsie.